working on a great project. Had a ton of wood down here that needed to be cut and split. So we split everything. We have this great little firewood shed here, but it wasn't big enough, and that's filled to the gills. So we went down here and we took all of our firewood and we made it nice. So we stacked it all up along here, and then we had to cover it, and I went online and watched a bunch of videos on covering wood. And you don't want to put too much tarp on there because then it collects moisture and the wood rots out. So what we did though was really cool. So fast caps, power head screws. I went ahead and put the power head screws there, and what's nice about them, see that big head, okay? You can get those at fastcap.com. And then you put your bungee straps on there, and I started to do that, but then I realized, well, I don't even need to do that. So there's the ones with the bungees, and I think that looks nice, right? But it was a little bit of more work, you know, to do that. It costs a little more money. And then I just started using the power heads, which work perfectly in the grommets. They can't come out. And then I just put power heads all along here. And now it did it nice and neat. The tarp is totally secure, really nice, very clean, pulled tight and stretched. And now I have all my firewood. That's a lot of firewood. That's a lot of freaking firewood. And that's 3 or 4 deep. Yeah, 3 or 4 deep. I don't know, I think it's 20 cords of wood right around there. But the best thing is we got it all cleaned up. We had a big mess before, but now everything's cleaned up. The yard's looking great. Japanese garden's looking great. The lawn's looking great. Look at this old cedar. Isn't this gorgeous? It's a big old growth cedar we left there. It's just standing there like a monument. The days have passed. Isn't that beautiful? Got our beautiful Japanese statues here and our fantastic fire pit. Yeah, we did lots of improvements and all the bonsais up through here. Yeah, lots of fun. And we have our terracotta soldiers. So they have lots of firewood in the wintertime to keep them warm. We've got 2 of them right here. And of course our Japanese bridge that we built in the wintertime, and our prayer wheel from Bhutan, and another statue we had custom made, and best of all, our hand washing station. Straight from the Shinto shrine in Japan. Is that beautiful? There you go, lots of work and lots of fun.